Hello friends, welcome to Money YouTube Tips English. Today I will give you an important message to all of you. Stay tuned with me till end of the video so you can get some good information. You can learn the new things which I will tell in this video. If you want to develop your English fluency, you can improve very easily if you follow my tips. I will tell you. Most of the non-native English speakers are struggling to develop their English fluency and communication skills. Here I will give you the tips. Don't worry friends. You can learn and you can develop your communication skill very easily by following these simple tips. If you have a smart phone, just you can install one app and learn how to develop the communication skills. Without practicing anything you cannot improve your skill friends. Just you can remember and keep it this statement in your mind. The app name is Cambly friends. Today I will give you the full tutorial about the Cambly app, how to use it and what are the benefit of this app. Let me tell you about this Cambly app. Here you can improve your skills by interacting with the native English speakers. Cambly is an app where you can attend the online class via the Cambly app. You can interact with native English speakers through online. If you want to attend the class, you must subscribe some plans which they have mentioned in their app. Let me show you the important plans. You can see here in the home, choose plans. You can click the choose plans and get the information about the plans. You need to spend little amount of money friends. If you spend, you can improve your skills very quickly. Let me show you the plans. Here they have given 5 time period friends. If you want to attend 1 minute per day, you can choose 15 minutes per day, 30 minutes per day, 60 minutes and 120 minutes per day. You can choose any one of these plans according to your convenient friends. That's it. You can choose the timeline and choose the day, how many days you want to attend the class through online via the Cambly app. They have given 5 days period, days per week, 1 day per week, 3 day per week, 5 day per week, 7 day per weeks. You can choose any one of these plan according to your preference friends. After choosing these um, time and um, days, you can choose the commitment level. You want to attend this class for only 1 month. If you want to renew your time and month period, you can choose the first plan, but the cost is very high, 4,499 rupees per month. If you choose the quarter, you need to pay 4,049 rupees. They have given the 10% offer. If you choose year, only you need to pay 3,374 rupees. they have given 25 percentage offer, friends. You can see the purchase summary. After purchasing this plan, you can attend the class through the online, so you can uh, improve your skills with interacting with the native English speakers. If you want to develop your skills, you must talk with your friends in English. Friends, that is what they have been doing here. You can choose the tutor and schedule time. See here, friends, many tutors have been conducting the class through the Cambly app. You can see here John Hicks. My object is to share my knowledge and passion for life by communicating with you. You can choose any one of these tutors to practice your skills. That's it, friends. Then you can see their interaction, language, and specialities, interest. They have uh, been certified CELTA. You can choose the class. He has mentioned time schedule. Each tutors have been displayed the time and class periods. You can choose according to your preference, convenient. I hope this information is very helpful to all of you. The final conclusion is that non-native English speakers need to practice more to develop our skills. Thank you so much, friends, for watching my videos, and please give me your support and your valuable comments. Your comments will make me to work hard to give best videos. Whatever the videos I will upload in this channel will be very useful to all of you. I believe this statement what I said earlier. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Until then, bye.